5 people shot at party in Greenvale, Mandeville, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police are now on the scene of a shooting in Greenvale, Mandeville, Manchester, where at least 5 people is believed to have been shot and injured a short while ago. Unconfirmed reports suggest that the injured were among patrons at a party in the community. Greenvale, an at-risk community, has been on the police radar for months. In April, then head of the Manchester Police Superintendent Lloyd Darby had announced a restriction on an entertainment event in Greenvale and 5 other communities in the Manchester area. Links 007 TV will have more report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.